Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, Web-Verse players. In this video, I will show how to get Green Goblin in InVision's Web-Verse. To begin, you will need to familiarize yourself with the game's character unlock mechanics. It is crucial to identify the specific requirements for obtaining Green Goblin. This guide will help you prepare for the necessary in-game challenges and resource collection, ensuring a smooth path to adding this iconic villain to your roster. Let's dive into the details. To start your journey, focus on gathering essential resources. You will need to collect approximately 150 web coins, which are often found by completing daily quests and participating in various challenges. Additionally, make sure to complete 5 specific Goblin Gauntlet missions, usually located within the game's Special Event tab. Finally, ensure your player level is at least 25, as this unlocks the crucial character quest. Now for the main event, the Goblin's Lair Challenge. Your primary objective is to defeat the formidable Pumpkin King boss, who appears in a limited-time special event. After conquering the boss, you must achieve a 3-star rating on the challenging Goblin's Gambit mission. Once these feats are accomplished, you will need to spend 2,500 units of in-game currency to finalize the character's unlock process. Congratulations, you are almost there. To claim your new character, simply navigate to the character selection screen, which is easily accessible from the main menu. Once there, you will find the newly unlocked Green Goblin character waiting for you in your roster. Confirm the unlock, and he will be ready to join your active team. Enjoy unleashing chaos with Green Goblin in InVision's Web-Verse.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.